been down bad. Not even you can hold down. Lost hope.
What up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neil, and today we're diving into the world of bathroom vanities. More specifically, I'll be reviewing the Calais Bathe Vanity by the studio Bathe. This is actually, I picked it up from Costco, so let's begin. So if you're in the market for a sleek and stylish addition for your bathroom, this might be a perfect fit for you. So stick around as we unbox and review based on this design, quality, and functionality. Let's go. Right off the bat, we're greeted with a sturdy packaging, ensuring the safe arrival of this piece. Now let's take a closer look at what's inside. Inside, you can see it's clearly well packaged with foams and wrapping paper, and inside the cabinet, it looks very clean. They also include a cabinet touch-up kit. And as you can see, as this was installed in my bathroom, this is what it looked like after I opened all the doors, just so you can see clearly. Now, excuse the dust on the quartz countertop. This was during the renovation period. I would describe the countertop as a subtle speck veining and more on the creamier side. It came with a nice sink cutout and the cabinet fixtures, but personally, I prefer to add my own taste. Now, I made a personal modification to the countertop. I replaced it with color viola from Vanity, and this change was absolutely necessary to accommodate my wife's cabinet above and her Dyson accessory cabinet. I did replace the silver fixture to black because I like the contrast look. It adds a modern touch and really makes the vanity stand out. One of the things that immediately caught my eyes is the ample storage space. With the spacious drawers and cabinets, staying organized has never been easier. And can we talk about these soft closed drawers and doors? They not only add a touch of luxury, but also ensure quiet and smooth operation. My favorite feature of this vanity is the tilt-out drawer. This provides extra storage space to store items that are used frequently, like cosmetic and other bathroom accessories. While the design is sleek, I encountered some plumbing challenges. I wish there were two cutouts for plumbing, as my plumber had to make adjustments by cutting the bottom of the vanity to run the water line and sewer. Also, it would be great if there were plumbing cutouts from the bottom of the cabinet, but those whose water line comes from the ground and not back against the wall. Plus, the high-quality quartz countertop not only looks stunning, but is also incredibly durable and easy to clean, perfect for everyday use. Personally, I love the subtle veining of the color viola. It adds a touch of elegance and further brightens our bathroom space. And speaking of addition, check out this faucet I found on Amazon. Its sleek design perfectly complements our black and white theme, tying the whole look together seamlessly. One of the standout features is the 72-inch mirror. It is front and backlit with dimming features, offering the perfect lighting for any situation. It can switch between 3 color temperatures to match your preference, and even has a defrosting capability for those hot showers. Talk about convenience. There is one minor drawback. I wish the drawers were wider to accommodate larger items more comfortably. Additionally, the front drawer could have been deeper to allow storage for taller items like my colognes and deodorants. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this very informational. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. I'll try to get them answered for you. Other than that, I will leave the description of all the items I discussed in the description below. Until then, peace. See you in the next one.
A better day, a better day, we all want a better day, a better day,